All right.
Do you know anything about basketball, Carter? I played 1 year of JV basketball.
I
And I scored 10 points.
the whole season?
Catherine's good at JV basketball.
That sounded like a really bad compliment. Sorry.
It was funny though.
But tonight, Griffey plays, 7th and 8th grade team plays first, and then Peyton plays. So it's a basketball night for the day. What? Except Ozaki 7th grade has a 7th grader that's 6'3" and plays for
Reedsville was a 6'8" guy on JV.
You're right, and he plays for Chapman, but he plays for Ozaki 7th graders, and I mean, he's so much, and he's good and 6'3" and whatever.
Is he done growing?
I don't know. I didn't see his parents. I mean, parents don't. I mean, obviously,
My mom's 5'10", and my dad's 6'1", and I'm
that is weird that both of you are not yeah.
Well, Lizzie's close as us.
Yeah.
She's
That's
like
so
5'9".
far. How'd you
What?
watch that far? We're stupid. Yeah.
That's like in the show The Office when they put it in the ceiling ties and it kept ringing.
What? Oh, the phone.
Put Andy's phone up in the ceiling.
Your iCloud what? What's that?
Is it in the microwave?
That's where we put stones that day.
Sam, stand up.
This isn't your time anyway.
It's also not no one else's time.
I just waited.
Okay. Sam, can you stand up?
I literally don't have to. I've been staying in the spot since I got in here. That's my phone.
Okay, guys. So, guys, turn this phone back over.
I don't have it.
John, where'd you get those glasses?
Out of my pencil or my
It's in
thing.
his pocket.
This is my.
So when am I getting this going?
Okay. All right.
That is.
So, guys, number 7. Again, I noticed that at the end I have sine and cosine and sine as what it equals. So I want to maybe try somehow putting that as part of this. So secant is 1 over cosine and then sine. So I'm gonna keep switch flip. Oops, not minus, times. So this is over 1, so this will become, when I multiply that, so what I have here is I have 1 over cosine x sine of x minus sine of x over cosine of x. But I need the denominators to match, so this one needs to get a sine of x. Because now the denominators will match. So what I have on top here is I have 1 minus sine squared of x, because this gets multiplied together, all over now 1 minus sine of x, again, hopefully it's starting to jump out at you that you know what that is. So that's cosine squared of x. And now we're ready to do some canceling. So this cosine cancels with one of those. So we're left with cosine over sine. All right, I'm going to go to number 8 then. Number 8 actually wasn't a ton of steps. So that means if it's not a ton of steps, usually it means you're just missing something that's maybe a little bit more obvious. So there's not a lot going on right now that I can do. So right now these two aren't very helpful in terms of one another. So the first thing I thought of was making a common denominator. And the good thing with the common denominator is if I multiply by the other one, I'm multiplying by the conjugate. So this one needs that, and so I have to do the same thing to the top. So over here, this needs a 1 minus sine of x. So they have common denominators now. So on top though, I have 1 plus the sine of x over this foiled. So when I foil this, the middle two terms will cancel. So again, I like this because it, when I distribute it, those middle two terms will go away. Okay. So I have the same denominator now, so I'm good. So on the top, I'm going to combine the tops. So I have 1 plus sine plus 1 minus sine. So those two will cancel. Sine minus sine cancels. So 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Hopefully, again, you notice 1 minus sine squared is going to be cosine squared. Now it's starting to look a lot like the end product here, but remember, this is really like 2 times 1 over cosine squared. If I wanted to kind of separate those out, that's what that is the same as.
Your phone's are on.
Oh, it's really quiet.
It like it started out long and it just like went really long.
Oh, let's take it out here.
I don't know, I tried to like answer it, but
Good, how are you? Yeah. No, I need in the middle class.
Yeah.
Can I give you?
Oh. It's
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay.
I see it.
All right, thanks. All right, bye-bye.
I'll give you
Isn't that the same as 2 times cosine over 2x over 1?
Oh,
Not
Luke?
Well, so what I'm trying to get at here,
Oh, wait.
right, is that no left still?
No, I found it.
Oh, where was it?
Where was it?
Over there.
Oh, where was my button?
Well, how did they get
Dude, I don't take it.
I promise, this time I did not take it.
This time.
This time.
Luke, it's definitely Kyle. Kyle looks
No, it was Luke.
Kyle looks really
Yeah,
good.
look at it.
Dylan, shut up. Who's not me?
Without defensive.
Kyle looks sus.
Wait, can I see this?
I've been doing records.
I get blamed
It's
for
the
everything
dynamic-
in this
it's
darn
the
class.
It's the dynamic duo. It's the sibling duo right there.
Yeah, okay, Dylan, shut up.
John just says that.
I saw you take it. Why does nobody
You
take
take your glasses
I
off.
was double busy.
One question. Did I ever get off my desk?
No, but it was sitting on my desk. That's how you took it.
So Luke took it. I mean,
And then he
Kyle
passed
took
it over to Kyle. And then
I never got off my desk, so I went.
Pyramids.
Yeah, I think Becca took it. When she walked over there, she hit it.
I saw you set it down.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. My
He's
bad.
off long.
My bad.
That's speaking.
His mom says that.
What are you looking for?
My notes and my hole punch. I found it.
Took the notes.
Or the
Owen.
What?
Don't take her notes again.
All right, we're doing the same thing again to hopefully build your confidence a little bit here.
You got that dumpy.
That's inappropriate.
Dumpy.
No.
It's not a bad word. Not a bad word.
You're right.
I was really wishing for like a canceled or delayed days.
Like literally everyone was like,
Canceled or delayed. Yeah, we didn't have power when we left home this morning.
my car got locked
Yeah.
in my garage, so like.
Do you know there is a way to like undo that,
Yeah,
right?
but like my dad locked
Break the
the
window.
side door and lost the key for me.
Oh, that
And
makes it
so
hard.
we were like completely locked down in the
How did
garage.
you get-
And my neighbor had to come pick us up. So.
Yeah, so like you there's like a cord you can pull and then it makes it like basically disables your opener. You have to open it by hand. First world problem.
Which it's not that.
We had a problem. I broke through with a piece of wood.
Yeah,
I would work like,
Gosh, you ain't dead
like, there used to be a tree right here. And it was like a big tree like this, and it just like split and broke.
Oh my gosh, show you
How
what
to
happened.
like turn these lights on, cause like, there's like one of them on the
Something really bad happened.
Well, that sucks.
Now you don't have to do Christmas tree.
Yeah, nothing in our room. Our basketball,
Jordan told me that there was a tree that fell on a house.
like we have like a little bowling one.
I found
Which one is fall on your driveway?
That was awesome.
On the driveway, yeah.
No. Oh, yeah.
We realized we should probably take it, cut it down, but.
Well, that's 'cause most of the time it is.
Overall porch furniture.
That was not me.
It was, I saw
I can feel my house shaking.
Yeah.
I know, my dogs were like freaking out all night, like they were like, we kept thinking somebody was in our yard, 'cause they'd see something like low, like a branch or something, and they wanna go outside and like fight it.
I thought I heard a big like.
Yeah. But yeah, so like, since we only live like 3 miles from school, I was like, please have the power be out
You
of
can walk
school,
to
like, yeah. Except that you have to cross 57, you have to walk.
Power off at school.
The horse
Yeah.
is buggy.
Yeah. So I was secretly
It's
like,
still so windy.
yeah.
I can't believe they didn't even.
I know, and I was just thinking with the buses
if we
and
had
stuff.
a delay, I just wouldn't have came to school. I would have went to work.
Wow.
You're so cool.
Yeah.
Where do you work?
But like, I guess they told
Didn't you work at Menards?
I used to.
Menards?
Didn't you work at Bears Week?
That was like 4 years ago.
Oh! So
How
do
many
you still
jobs
like
do you have?
flip over the
You
cups
drop
thinking you're
Yeah,
in?
he
Good job.
Okay. All right, guys. So similar to yesterday, put your phone away. Similar to yesterday, we're just verifying, trying to make the left side match the right. So again, I can give you guys some time to get working on this, and we'll kind of just pick some to go through kind of as we go here. Is that, and feel free to talk with one another about it, maybe before you. This is the notes, and then the homework is just going to be similar to this.